Well, after coming to Quartzsite for many years, this is the first time we are actually coming to the High Jolly Monument tomb. We've always wanted to, but you know, we get busy doing this, that, or the other, and we just haven't done it yet. So we are going to check it out today.
Let's go.
Let's go. So apparently, this is more than just High Jolly's tomb. This is also a cemetery, and it almost looks like it might be military, because High Jolly did bring the camels here for the military, right?
Right.
We watched a Death Valley Days episode that was about the camels being brought here to travel, take the troops and supplies over the sand. So it was a really good episode. We'll have to put the link to it in the description below. But so this time we said, okay, we have to go to High Jolly's now. So I guess we can walk in here. There's an opening right over there. So we have a few over here. Oh wow, it's not only an old one, there's somebody recent.
Hey, look how far back it goes.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's all the way around here. Wow. So this is still an active cemetery. So, okay, nice. I didn't realize that Quartzsite had their own cemetery. So it's all the way over there. Wow, it's been here for a long time. 1930s, and even older than that, I'm sure.
1873 to 1963. This guy was 100 years old. Can you imagine what he saw in his lifetime from 1873? The late 1800s. Think about what this country was like then compared to 1963.
Wow. So since we can't really see this very well, I will go ahead and read what it says. High Jolly Cemetery. The High Jolly Cemetery is operated by the town of Quartzsite as a cemetery, historic site, and park. Many of the early pioneers of Quartzsite, formerly known as Tyson's Well, are interred here. Also buried here is High Jolly, namesake of the cemetery. High Jolly was born Philip Tedro, an Ottoman subject of the Syrian and Greek heritage, where he worked as a camel breeder and trainer. He served in the French army in Algiers before coming to the U.S. in 1857. He served as a camel handler for the U.S. Army Camel Corps, which tested the use of camels as pack animals in the arid American Southwest. He stayed in the Arizona Territory after the camel experiment ended just before the Civil War, and became a prospector, scout, courier for the Jackass Mail, and freight hauler. He died in Quartzsite in 1902. In 1934, the Arizona Department of Transportation erected a monument in his honor made of native stone and topped with a metal camel. This was the beginning of the Pioneer Cemetery, and the monument is said to be the most visited spot in Quartzsite. Dedicated April 4th, 2020. So there's the placard, and we will go over to the monument now. This area looks like it's for the Scott family, this whole area here. Oh wow, there's more Scotts. Look at that. So if you want to read about Buck Connor, you can pause the video there. So Kewen, that's probably who the street's named after.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the Pioneer section is what they called it on this placard right here. So it's interesting that people come and put stuff on some of these old graves. But look at this one here. I don't understand what this one is. Oh, there's a name thingy over here. Let's go look. There's like a collection of bells. People have left coins. Baby Pritchard. To look that up, see if we can find any information on that. There are no dates or anything. Very interesting. Lots of quartz. Look at this. Like petrified wood. All native stone. So that was pretty interesting.
Yep.
Looks like across the street there are, this might be where they hold services because there's a shaded area, and then it looks like they have a small mausoleum. Let's go see. There are benches around if you wanted to go sit and reflect. Just a little park area over here, but I would think that this is probably where they hold services. It's a little shaded area. Then they've got this little mausoleum. There are lots of areas. I would think this is probably for people that are cremated and they want a place to put them. There's a lot of areas, a lot of leftover area. Well, we had a very interesting and enlightening fun time at the High Jolly Monument and Cemetery. If you haven't explored Quartzsite at all and you've come here like we have for many years, and there's so many things we still haven't seen. So next time we come at the beginning of the 2026-2027 season, we're going to have to check out some more sites around Quartzsite because there is a lot to see and do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it, and also check out that Death Valley Days episode about the camels and hi Jolly. Thank you so much. See ya.
In Taylor we roam, hearts on repeat. Life is short, let's make it sweet. Da, 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 da.